This will be a brief demonstration of the HoZt static websites. A static website is regenerated when the content changes on your site. The changes are then uploaded to a content delivery network, or CDN, which distributes your website to locations around the world. When someone accesses your website, it will be sent to them from the location that is closest to the user. This will make your site very fast. There are no backend servers, databases, or any other infrastructure required for your site to work. Your site will be very secure, and your site will not require any updates until you are ready to change your content. This example site has very basic design and layout. We customize each website for the specific user. These websites are optimized for SEO, so your website will show up very strong in Google. These websites are also responsive, so they will work well on all screen sizes. I'm already authenticated on this example site, so this extra toolbar is shown to me. This is not accessible from the visitors. So let's take a look at our dashboard, or our back end. We can see we have the different types of content we can add to our site. A post can be blogs or news items that we add to the site. There's also categories associated with those, or tags that can be associated with those type of posts. Media is just images, videos, and other items that you can upload to your site. Pages are static websites, or web pages like the About Us page. A gallery is a photo gallery. Testimonials are just what they sound, is a page that'll list a bunch of testimonials. Sometimes we could show these on the front page and have a full page where a user could scroll through your testimonials. Forms are a way that people can contact you through your website by filling out the form, and they can then submit it. FAQs are just allow you to put a set of questions and answers that are formatted for your website. Events lets you have a calendar where you can show all your upcoming events. There's both a calendar view and a list view of events. And videos are, like it sounds, videos that you can add to your website. Right now we support Vimeo and YouTube directly. So let's take a look how this works with just adding a quick page to our website. So we're going to add a test page here. And let's add some dummy content. Down here we have an ability to add a banner image and a subtitle. So let's do that now. I've already uploaded the image, so I'll select the uploaded image and type in here, just so we can see how that looks. I'm going to publish it, and then we'll go back to our dashboard. So we'll want that page to show up on the main menu on the site. So if we look back at our site, here's the main menu. So we'll want this new page to show up. So let's go to the menus, and we've already selected the main or primary menu, and we can select this new test page and add it to the menu. You can see it pops up right here. I can reorder it, or I can also set it at a different level. We'll look at these in more details in another video. We'll save the menu, and we will go and add another type of content. We're going to add a photo gallery. So let's go over to galleries and add new, and we'll just call this photo gallery. And add the gallery images. So we'll add a couple images, and we can see they show up. I can reorder these so they'll be just how I want them to show up. And then hit publish. Once again, I want to add that new page to the menu. So let's look at the menus again. and we'll go down to galleries, and we'll see our photo gallery page I created. So let's save that. Let's add a contact page. So that is a forum. So we're going to go back to this over here and add a new forum. So we'll call this as Contact Us. And let's just do a little bit of formatting on this. We're going to just center that text. And I'm not going to put a banner image on this one. So we'll publish that page. And then once again, we'll go back to the menus and add it to the menu. And it'll show up in the forum section. I can go in here and change this to the label of how it'll show up on the menu. We also have the ability to go in and customize, so we can actually change the site title and add a logo. And this time we'll upload an image, and we'll do an example host. Save this. We're going to skip the cropping, and I'm also going to add the icon. For our website. So now we have a website logo and actually that was a mobile logo. So that's a good example. So we'll also add the icon as the same So it allows us to have a different version of your logo if you're on desktop or mobile. So let's publish this change, and let's go back to our website, and we can see that the site is beginning to look like a real website. Let's do one more change because we have another menu that is a footer menu. So we're gonna go select the footer menu and add we'll just add a couple links to it. Okay. And while we're at it, why don't we add a video? So all we need to do here is paste the URL or the link to the video that we want to include. I'll click the publish. And then let's go back and we'll add this to the footer menu. So down here is menus, and we're still on our footer menu. So if we scroll down to videos, we should see that video menu. We can then save, and let's take a look at our website now. You can see we're getting these menus are showing up down here. Let's look at the first page. Here it is. We can see that banner menu. The banner image is up at the top, and the subtitle is on that page. The photo gallery is shown here, and we can browse the different images, and there's also the ability to go full screen with it and view them that way. The Contact Us allows us to fill out a form and send it to the user. This is from my local machine, so we're getting the Cloudflare warning here. This turnstile allows your site to really limit the amount of spam messages you're going to get. Cloudflare does a good job at filtering out the spam messages. So these will be emailed directly to you. Let's take a look at the YouTube video we created, and you can see it displays on the page, and I can click it and start playing it right away. So any of these pages I can go back into and click Edit Page, Takes us back into the editor, and we'll see how the page looks. Let's add an image here. I'm going to add it to the top. And we can select image under media. We're going to upload a new image. So let's do one of these. And then I'm going to select the image and then set it to a medium size. Then oftentimes when you're working with an image, you'll want to do some formatting of it and maybe align it left or align it right so it snaps to the content. I'm going to remove that extra line I put in there and then update the page again. So back to the website, and we can see that image shows up to the end user. So we'll go into more details on each of these sections in other videos. Thanks for watching.